is a man who I know, without any shadow of the doubt, will be the next member of parliament for South Manchester. The next speaker when you see him with him folder in him hand, we are dealing with some integrity matters. Walk into the wicket like Viv Richards with a SS Jumbo Bat. Runs are gonna make tonight. Representing the People's National Party.
Coming out, Zaman away.
Manchester, you look good. St. Elizabeth, you look good. Clarendon, you look good. PNP, you look good. We are one big family. The whole family. Son and daughter. Son and daughter.
Yeah, shot you.
Comrades. Comrade leader. Comrades on the platform. Comrades all. I want to deal with something right up front. I want to give a shout out to the PNP debating team last night for an excellent performance. But who heard one of the JLP debaters last night say this? He said, no one manages like the JLP. Well, I suppose it's true, because their management is a national disgrace. The JLP management is to sign a contract to release Peace and Mega Mart building in Manchester in 2019, paying hundreds of millions of dollars in rent, supposedly to move the tax office, and all no tax office can move. 6 years later, that is JLP management.